Hi, I'm Josh Emett and I'm collaborating with Woop. I'm going to show you how to cook a beef sirloin with jalapeno potatoes and a delicious chermoula sauce. So the first job will be to trim the green beans, just top and tail, which is pretty simple. Start with the potatoes, flat side down. So I'm just gently going to fry the potatoes and get really nice colour on them. You can just slowly rotate them and tip them over in the pan. So once the potatoes are starting to get some colour on it, we can add the green beans and slowly start to cook them down from raw as well. So we're going to get a nice little bit of colour on the green beans as well. So great colour on the potatoes, great colour on the green beans, and then we're going to go in with the jalapeños. So jalapeños, if you love them, you know, put them all in. Chop them down a little bit so that they dissolve through the dish, through the potatoes a little bit more. Touch more seasoning. So potatoes and green beans with the jalapeños all softened down beautifully. Now let's get the steak on. Okay, so nice hot pan for the steaks. We've got 2 sirloins. We're going to gently season them on the outside. Nice hot pan. Season it on both sides. So it'll take about 2 to 3 minutes each side, with a couple of minutes resting at the end. You've got a little bit of fat content on the outside, top side of the sirloin, which is completely normal and delicious. So we're going to seal that side just at the end. So whip those out, just rest them on the side. Okay, so we're going to start with whipped feta, which is already pre-done. Nice little amount on the plate. So straight on with your potatoes and green beans next. Plating at home, I mean, I want to keep it super simple. The only trick or tip that I would give you is that we always plate from the inside out. Carve our sirloins, nice even slices, nice little fat content on the top of it. Then straight on the plate, fan it out, and then finish with a lovely little drizzle of this absolutely delicious chermoula. So there you have it, roasted sirloin, potatoes with jalapeños, whipped feta, and a beautiful chermoula to finish it off.